No one talks about the Jyotigram. This 24-hour, three-phase uninterrupted power, in 1,000 days, the infrastructure, 23 lakhs electricity poles, newly 23 lakhs electricity pole, 56,000 transformers, and 75,000 kilometer cable. This much material was used in 1,000 days. Can you imagine? This is what a government can do. And this capability is there with our all Indian our brothers and sisters. Joe was talking that in 500 days, 700 kilometer pipeline. Now the figure is 700 days, 1,400 kilometer pipeline. 700 days, 1,400 kilometer pipeline. And the size of the pipe is, Karunanidhi ji with his family can travel into the car in that pipe. Friends, people are, there is no allegation against me. I am happy. But sometimes I am worried about it also. I have a small example I want to give you. We have a border checkpost between Gujarat and Maharashtra near Bilad. If you want to enter Gujarat from Maharashtra, that Bilad checkpost is there. And if you want to go to the Maharashtra, there is a Ochad checkpost 1 kilometer away from Bilad, is there in Maharashtra. There is one national highway there. The vehicles which are passing through the Gujarat checkpost, the same number of vehicles are passing through the Maharashtra checkpost. And the rate of the checkpost entry is one and same. I have introduced technology on my checkposts. In last 4 years, my income is more than Maharashtra, and the difference is 2 Arab, 200 crores, 2 Arab, 39 crore and 69 lakhs rupees. More income the Gujarat is getting, and that is because, and you can understand how much corruption will be there at the Ochad checkpost. Same number of vehicles, same charges are there, but the income is such a difference is there. If you have a will, you can win. Friends, nowadays, people are talking about the secularism. After my election, one English newspaper telephoned me, just wanted to do one good interview. Normally, I keep away from myself, because I know it's not my responsibility to run their channels and the newspapers. It is not my responsibility. He telephoned me. Well, he was known to me and he requested me and he asked me some questions. He said that there is an allegation that you have won election on a communal card. I said, there are so many media persons here, they are not noting, but now they have started. You see, this is the tragedy of the country. Because when I was talking to the development, they were not ready to note even. Now do you understand why I love Cho? I gave a reply that my election speeches are available with the Election Commission. My statements are available in the newspapers. If you will find out a single statement that you can brand as a communal, I will declare myself defeated. No one dare to come forward. No one dare to come forward. But even though things are going on, communal. What do you mean by communal? If I speak against the terrorism, is it a communal? And if I have to pay the price for the fighting against terrorism, I am ready to pay the price. I do not know the meaning of the secularism, yet I do not understand. Of course, the dictionary meaning is absolutely different. There was a time when people were talking about the secularism, they were talking about the simply religious harmony. Slowly it changed the color. Then secularism means a lip sympathy to the minorities. Then slowly the color changed. Then secularism means appeasement to the minority. Then the secularism changed the color, focus only on the Muslims vote bank in the name of secularism. Then the secularism changed the color, then hate Hindu means secularism. Slowly change color the secularism. In this type of every 5 years the secularism is changing the meaning. So now I am thinking that I must come with the new meaning of the secularism. For me, development give a strongest foundation to the secularism. Only and only development can give a strongest foundation. When I started the girl child education, when the 49% dropout was there, today only 3% dropout, who are beneficiary? The poorest of the poor are a beneficiary. I am surprised our Prime Minister in the NDC meeting last year, he said, it is in writing. And I was there in the meeting, he forgot that I am there. He said that in India's property, the first right is of the Muslims. Publicly said. And on the property of India, the first right is of the Muslims. I took objection. I said, how you can say this? At least you can say that the first right on the property of this country is for the poor. Why religion? Why religion? Today they have declared communal budgeting. The new tendency is communal budgeting. How can you don't have any right to talk about the secularism. You don't have any right to talk about the secularism. Friends, I went to Assam. I had some small function was there. But so many people came to meet me. That function was in the evening. In those delegations, Hindus were there, Muslims were there, Assamese there, non-Assamese there. And all were complaining. Modi ji, today in the evening, you must speak against the Bangladeshi. All were suggesting. Modi ji, you are only a person, you have to speak against the Bangladeshi.